People with arthritic joints have pain. The presence of pain is not a reason to avoid exercise. In fact, the right amount of exercise often helps people with pain and can even slow the progression of arthritis. Difficulty with certain activities like rising from a chair or climbing stairs can give us a clue about what exercises may benefit you. Decreasing ability to walk distances or balance issues may indicate a need to improve muscle strength. This improved strength can help you feel more steady on your feet and manage work or tasks which had become difficult. Strength exercises can be accumulated throughout the day and can be done at home. You don't need to commit to a long period of time for exercise, but you do need to find times that fit into your schedule. Aim to perform your exercises regularly. They can be done daily, or you can alternate strength exercises one day with low-impact activities like walking, cycling, or swimming the next day. Choosing activities you enjoy can make your plan for exercise more successful. Sometimes keeping an activity diary can assist with getting you started. Choose manageable amounts of exercise that you tolerate. So what does it mean to tolerate an exercise? It means that you feel okay while you're performing the exercise and in the hours after exercise as well as that night. If you feel good while performing the exercise but have significant increase in pain later in the day, or if your pain is uncontrollable at night, you need to modify your exercises by decreasing the repetitions, the resistance, or switching to a different exercise. It's okay if your level of discomfort rises a little while performing the exercises or afterwards, as long as it comes down by the next day. You can use cold or heat packs to manage, or discuss with your family doctor or pharmacist an appropriate medication to help with the temporary increase in discomfort. Often something as simple as Tylenol can help with this. In the video that follows, we will go through 5 exercises that aim to help you improve your functionality and strength. There are different levels of each exercise. Choose the one that best suits you and progress from there. Remember, keep your eye on the goal. Improve your strength, improve your abilities.